Get your ass up, cry baby. Shut up. Doors. But that's just you leave my phone. It's cold out here. Where we going? We heard something? What's out here? No, that's food for the chicken heads. They're nice and warm up in the house. I think they're warm. You sit there like, yeah, she is. You see how quiet they are? That means they're happy. They will make a bunch of noises. You know that the drum. There's a couple of freedom ranges. Hold up, please. Everybody's going up. Don't know why I'm not using my glove team to hold things down. Come on, pee-pee poo-poo, Justin, do. I'm coming for you, El. Man, stop eating shit and come on. Hey! Get it. Alright, that's it. We're going up. Pee-pee poo-poo, guys. I'm coming for you, player. And you too, Clay. Everybody's coming in to the heated shop, the harbor. Pee. This is okay. I didn't get it done unloading the feed. Man, what is it, like 20 degrees out here? God dang, man. Come on, your last chance to use the restroom. Let's go home, come on. I'm gonna put those tarps to keep you warm. Put the heater on. Go on. Go on, mother trucker. Go on, man. No? Oh, you want to go in there? Okay, you can go in there. I really go in there. Oh, yeah? No. I should have been with my back. I mean with my legs, not my back. Come here, girl. Come here. Hey. Hey. Come here, I think it's cold. Dang, it's corn cold up in here. I put this heater that the phone's on in the middle. And it'll warm this sucker up quick like. Oh shit, I'm tired. Working mentally. I'm a mental worker. I mentally work too much in my mind. Oh, you son of a buckethead. Got it. One down. Two more to go. I did that. Peace.